how to check like post on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check all the liked post on your Instagram account. Okay, let's say for example, let me like on this photo. Okay, I like this and I like the photo, and let me find where it is located. Okay, to find your all liked words, first of all click on this profile icon on the top top right bottom left corner, this one. From here you have to tap on this three line top right corner. From here tap on your activity. From here you have to click on interaction. Okay, from here you will see the all the liked posts from here. Okay, here is the likes, click on likes, and this is here is the list of the all the liked posts of my Instagram or of my account. This is how you check liked post on Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and